How to unfriend someone on Genshin Impact. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. If you are looking for a way to unfriend someone or delete your friend from your friend list in Genshin Impact, here's how you can do it. First things first, open the Genshin Impact app and log into your account. Now once you're inside the game page, go ahead and tap on the Paimon menu icon at the top left corner. You'll then open up this pop-up menu where you need to tap on Friends. Inside the Friends list, go ahead and find the friend you want to delete or remove and tap on their profile picture. Now in the pop-up, click on the Unfriend button and confirm by tapping the Confirm button in the pop-up to ensure that you want to delete this friend. Once you tap on Confirm, the player will be removed from your friend list immediately. I am not gonna delete this friend of mine, but this is the step how you can easily delete a friend. So there you have it, you've successfully learned how to unfriend someone in Genshin Impact. If you found the video helpful to you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.